Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Barbie's Mariposa's outfit in Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. You do need some VIP items here. So for the hair I used this bun in blonde and then this hair in blonde as well, this color. For the position Y 0.52, and then I used this in a blonde color as well. The minor adjustments to it. So Z, why do I keep saying Z7? Z is at 0.45 and scale is at 0.42. For the fit, we're obviously going to need the petal dress, the one and only petal dress. And we're going to select the mini flower. Why do I sound like that? Silver top, turn it off, and then color it this pink color, like so. Then we're going to grab this one in pink and black. So select the second toggle, and then color the first one pink, color the second one pink as well, and then just black for the rest. I might do black for the bow as well actually, so something like this. And then for the other skirt I did use a Roblox item, but if you don't have it you don't have to use it. I did only train in pink and black. Oh, also I used the like henna necklace thing. I don't know what it's called, like this thing here. And I'm just going to color that pink. Then I'm going to use this up here and I'm just going to do some minor adjustments to it. And I'm going to color the first one green, and then this pink, maybe a little bit lighter actually, and then purple, and then some yellow to it as well. Then I also used the ballet shoes here. So select this one in only the ballet toggle, and then color it this pink color, but just like lighter, maybe like this one actually. And then I did the rest in that pink color. And then for the wings and more necklaces, I choose this one. And I think I might add this actually. I don't know why I did not think of that before. And I think I also added this as well in like a pink and red color, like this. Then I'm going to add the wings in that same color, just make it bigger, glitter, and then that same color in glitter, and that lighter pink in glitter, and then in black. You can add more stuff to it if you'd like to, but I'm just going to stop here. That is how you can create Mariposa on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!